We're just continuing with Halachot, the Siman Samech Aleph. We're going to be doing a few different Sifim which have to do with the same concept. So first of all, it's going to be Sif Tetvav, where it says Tzarich lafsik ben hayom le'al levavecha and hayom and le'ahava shelo yeh hayom velo lemachar. Which means here it's not because you're swallowing any words or because of what you're saying. It's only just the interpretation. When I come and I'm going to say Asher anochi mitzavecha hayom al levavecha, if I would say everything in one shot, so therefore what's going to happen is that my intent, or the way that it looks like is that you only have to do the mitzvot today. Or le'ahava et Hashem Elokecha, it's going to say without the right, continue with hayom le'ahava, it's only today to love HaKadosh Baruch Hu, but tomorrow or yes or any other day you're not obligated to. So therefore what we do is we make a pasek, we make a pause after the hayom, and making the pause after the hayom is not going back on what you're supposed to be doing. Right? It's hayom, which is every single day and day. This is what you're supposed to be doing to love HaKadosh Baruch Hu, to fulfill the mitzvot of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. When we go back to the other one, which is going to be now Sif Yotet, here it is the concept that if you're not going to make a pause, you will swallow up words or you will change the meaning. So he says, Tzarich liten revach ben v'chara le'af. Right? You have to come and you have to put a place, a pause between the word v'chara and then af, which means that he's going to get angry at us. But if not, the lo lishma v'charaf. Charaf is actually a blasphemy. He's actually going against HaKadosh Baruch Hu. So therefore, what we're supposed to do is we're saying v'chara, that Hashem is coming and he's going to get angry. V'chara af Hashem. So we have to make a pause in between them. So these are just different times when we see that you're supposed to put different pauses. We already spoke about Asher Nishba and La Hashem again in order to pronounce the Ayin properly, which that was Siftet Zayin. So therefore you see that in the sequence of events, the Shulchan Aruch is coming and saying different times when are you supposed to put pauses, whether it's going to be that it's going to change the meaning, the way the interpretation of how we read the word, or if you're going to swallow the words or change the meaning of the words when they're going to be put together. So in all these cases, a person has to be careful, and therefore when he's reading the Kriyat Shema, some Sidurim, they will put little tiny stars at the end of one letter and at the beginning of the other ones, or little tiny circles or things like that, in order to pay attention when are you supposed to make pauses in order that when you're actually saying the Kriyat Shema, you're saying it properly.